Now it's time to replace the light switch. The reason why I'm replacing is because it's just all messed up and I don't like it. Somebody was messing with it, so I have a different one in good condition, and I'll be putting this one on. Well, with this, first you start is you pull this guy off. It's gonna pull out, but as you can see, these two pieces right here out. And see, there's a problem, it's even missing. There's a nut that has to go over it that holds it in place, and it's missing. And anyways, now I can probably just take it out from the bottom. So here's my light switch, it's out. And what I have to do right now is I have to swap all of these wires onto this guy. Alright, so this is my new switch. I mean, used one, but as you can see, I removed all the screws all the way around. And I can separate this right now, all this wiring. So the wires are separated, and now what I have to do is, once I start taking it off, for example, I'm going to start with these two. They're the main red positive wires. So I'm going to remove them, and I'm going to put them on this one. And I'm just going to basically keep going all the way around. This way I will not mix anything up. Alright, everything is all connected. Now I'm going to remove this nut, remove this piece, and then just slide that thing right here. Okay, now it's in. I just got to tighten this nut, and then I can put my knob in there. So now let's just install this knob. There we go. Just checked it. Everything is working nicely. And yeah, so that's a good fix. As I remember this old one, I mean, it was working, but it was missing this nut. So when you turn it right or left, I mean, it just, the whole assembly was moving, and I don't know, somebody was messing with it. And I also fixed this guy. I fixed this vent here, except that it has a broken piece. But what was wrong with it? It was just loose in there. So now it looks better.